Very good morning to you all, guys. It is the 19th of August 2020, and I was just about to leave office. I thought of sharing something with you guys. Actually, the other day, someone had put this obituary page newspaper cutting on the group, and I just thought of sharing something. Guys, we are 44, 45 years of age now, and you would believe the fact that all our parents are almost 65 plus, maybe 65, 70, 75, 80. Like my mom is 73 now, and had my dad been alive, he would have been 78. So, what I want to say is that this is the time when they actually need a little bit of extra care, or they are made sure that they are being cared for or they are being loved. I am very much sure we all are very good kids and we are taking good care of our parents. That is what not I want to say or comment upon, but there is some simple technique or exercise, what you can call it, that I would like to share with you today. uh, I lost my father 19 years back, and 2 months after he expired, my uncle called me from Mumbai and asking me whether I am taking care of my mother. Well, I said yes, I am taking care of my mother. Then his second question follows, like, what do you make sure that she has been taken care of and she is feeling loved? Now that was a question which was annoying, and in fact, any child would not like anyone questioning, like, whether he is taking care of his parents or no. Any child would not like it, and so didn't I like it. I was like, okay, kaka, आता तुम्हीच सांगा काय करायचं, because I make sure that she has a food properly, she sleeps properly, she is entertained, she's listened to, she is accompanied where she goes. What do you want me to do, something extra to make sure she's happy? Then here is what he said. Why don't you try a simple exercise? I said, okay, go ahead. He said, you should actually sit with your mom close to her and speak with her for at least 20 minutes for the next 20 days. I said, fine, what's the big issue? He said, yes, kindly do it very sincerely, honestly, every day. Not a single day should you skip it. Make sure there is no TV around. Make sure there is no other person disturbing you in between the conversation. There should be simple conversation between you and your mom. Either you speak or she speaks, you listen, she listens, whatever. But 20 minutes every day for the next 20 days. I said, fine, I'll do it. Anything, I can do anything for my mom. From day one, from the very day, I started speaking to my own mom. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and in fact it was a very good experience. Actually what happens is that when we speak to our parents, it's usually like, uh, generally, like, what do we speak? How are you feeling? What did you do the whole day? Or how was your day? General talks. But then when it is continuously speaking for 20 minutes, then you really have to think on what all you have to speak, and then you really have to have subjects to speak to your parents. Since this was an exercise which I had promised my uncle that I will make sure I do it properly, I was continuously speaking to her for 20 days. Until day 15, I really had no problem. On day 16, early morning, I was a little bit worried as to what should I speak to her today evening, because those days I was busy. In fact, we all are busy now also, and I used to work for 12 hours a day. So once I am out of the house at 8 a.m., I used to come back at 8:30 at night, and then I used to freshen up, and before dinner around 8:30, 9 o'clock, we used to sit and speak. This was going on from the past 15 days. But the 16th day, the whole day I was just thinking, what do I speak to her for 20 minutes? I have spoken everything. She has shared so many things in the past 15 days, because 20 minutes is never 20 minutes. And then you have to be honest. You have to watch on the clock, and it should be minimum 20 minutes, because 20 minutes is never 20 minutes. It goes on. When we start speaking, conversation goes on, and it happens half an hour also. So I was a little bit worried, what should I speak to her for the next for these 20 minutes on day 16. It was day 16, 8 p.m., and I was really worried, what should I start speaking. As I reached home, I just freshened up, and my mom called me. It so happened in those 15 days that we were sitting close to each other. The chairs were very close to each other. She was already sitting on her chair. She called me and she made me sit. And believe me, friends, from day 16, I never spoke a word. It was she who was speaking for not less than half an hour for the next 1 month. And then I realized that there should be some private time between children and parents. My mom was desperately waiting for those 20 minutes of half an hour in the evening for me. And she still waits for me because that is the private time a child and a parent have in the entire day. Although we speak to our parents daily, we might be speaking anything, we might be sharing anything, whatever. But those 15 to 20 minutes per day really, really works magic. And I'm very much sure now, after the death of my father from the past 19 years, she's been happy like anything because she knows for assured I have those 20 minutes with my son every day. Whatever it is, whether I'm at home or no, if I'm not at home, presently I'm not at home, so I make sure I speak to her on the phone. So she has those 15 to 20 minutes, 20 minutes of mine. She has it assured. So that is some feeling which has definitely helped her move on for in life. It works magical, that is for sure, and I'm sure it won't sound magical, but definitely it works magical. I would really, really request you all guys to try this experiment, to try this exercise technique. It really works. So it so happened that I happened to call my uncle after 20 days as he was expecting my call. And as soon as I said hello, I could hear him smile. I could actually hear him. And I spoke to him for the next 1 hour or so, thanking him for that lovely exercise, for that lovely technique. And then I happened to ask him, Ki, Kaka, where did you find this? Did you read it, or did some of your gurus told you this? Because he was a very sensible person. He was very knowledgeable. He was an income tax officer in Mumbai. So I thought he might have learned some from somewhere. So he is saying like, see son, I have been reading books. I have been taking knowledge. I am a good reader. I am a good listener. I am satisfied with my life. The vehicle comes to pick me up from my house in this busy city like Mumbai. Don't have a stressful life. I'm very happy. Two sons, daughter-in-laws, grandchildren. I have everything in life. My son respects me. They still respect my opinions. They still respect my views. I'd never feel ignored. I am the happiest person on earth. But I miss those 20 minutes in my life. I still feel I want to speak. Yeah, I want to listen. But those 20 minutes I still miss in my life. And it is a fact, guys, we don't realize this. Although we speak to our parents, although we take care to our parents, but that continuous speaking of a certain time daily, which is assured to a parent every day, assured like meals, like the medicines they are having every day. If it is assured time, or a certain time to our parents with us, with their own children, makes a lot of difference. Give it a try. It works miraculously. Trust me on this. Unless and until you give it a try, you won't realize what it is. But please give it a try. And thank you so much for listening. Thank you.